Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to move NetSuite basic data to NetSuite OneWorld. Moving basic data from NetSuite Standard, single instance, to NetSuite OneWorld involves migrating your core records, such as customers, vendors, items, transactions, and chart of accounts, into a OneWorld environment. The process requires planning, cleanup, and the use of import tools or integration services. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, understand what changes in OneWorld. Second, identify and export core data. Third, clean and prepare data for OneWorld. Fourth, set up subsidiaries in OneWorld. Fifth, import data into OneWorld. Sixth, test and validate. Lastly, go live. Understand what changes in OneWorld. NetSuite. OneWorld adds multi-subsidiary, multi-currency, and multi-tax capabilities. This means you need to prepare your data to support subsidiary structure, locations, departments, and classes, currency mappings, tax setups by jurisdiction. Next is to identify and export core data. From your existing NetSuite instance, export the following using saved searches or CSV export. Prepare chart of accounts for subsidiary mapping, customers, vendors records. Make sure to include addresses and tax IDs, items, products. Include pricing, categories, and other details. Transactions. Export this only if historical data is needed. Employees H roles. This is optional if transferring users. Cleaning and preparing your data for migration to NetSuite OneWorld is a critical step that ensures your records are accurate, structured properly, and compatible with OneWorld's multi-subsidiary environment. You may need to add subsidiary fields to each record, convert currency fields if multi-currency is enabled, format tax codes and GL accounts, deduplicate and validate entity data. Setting up subsidiaries is a foundational step when configuring NetSuite OneWorld, as it enables multi-company, multi-currency, and multi-tax operations. In your new OneWorld environment, go to Setup, Company, Subsidiaries, and create your structure. Define currencies, fiscal calendars, and tax setups per subsidiary. Configure entity settings. Next is to import data into OneWorld. Use the CSV import tool. Go to Setup, Import, Export, Import CSV records. Make sure to select the correct type of record. Example, customer, item, chart of accounts. Map fields carefully to their corresponding NetSuite fields, including subsidiary, currency, etc. Import in logical order or else import will result to an error. Import chart of accounts first followed by the entities, then the items, then the transactions. Start with a test import of a few records before uploading everything. The next step is to test and validate the import to ensure accuracy and avoid issues in your live environment. Check for missing data or mismatched subsidiaries. Manually check the records imported in NetSuite. Run sample reports. Run basic reports or saved searches to confirm that records are assigned to the correct subsidiaries, financial values appear under the right entities, and no duplicate or orphaned records are created. Validate roles and permissions in the new environment. After testing and validating your data and setup in NetSuite OneWorld, the final step is to go live. This means transitioning your environment and users into full production mode with confidence that the system is ready. Communicate the transition plan with users. Provide training materials or short video demos if needed. Update any integrations or external tools to point to the new OneWorld account. Begin using the OneWorld environment fully. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.